Hey man, things are wild in prison. Apparently in prison, apparently in prison, a worn panty is very valuable.
What?
Yeah. Dirty panty is valuable. Dog, check your WhatsApp. The thing's in your WhatsApp. There it is. Yeah. Listen to this.
Welcome to Entertainment and News, the TP of A2. South Africans, are you still poor in 2025? Come on, man, that's your choice. Because there's a whole new currency in prison. All you need to do is just don't wash that panty. If you don't believe me, watch this video.
Iphente ngcolile lelo phente lelutayisa imali ebovu kwa manje ekudla kahle ngalo
Iphente elinukayo lona
iphente elinukayo lona iphente elikhokhayo.
Hey,
Yeah.
shuthi umuntu esifazane uhlala nalo 1 week engawashi.
Yeah, lelo phente mase lifika kumina njengoba ngishaya 15 years noma ngishaya 25 kunabantu abashawo life sentence. Labo bantu bathi mabelinuka
For those who don't understand or get the context, relax, I got your back. The reports coming out of South African prisons is that there's a huge demand of dirty panties for those prisoners who are serving longer sentences, as those panties remind them of a homely feeling that a woman was here.
Stay tuned as I give you the latest on entertainment and news on Extratainment, the TP Bafetu. Are here.